Okay, here's my friend, me and Emily, and we're just taking off our masks for this. Okay, we're gonna go in Anthropologie and we're gonna shop together. Emily is a stylist, and I'm obviously as well. So we're gonna see what we find, and then we're gonna let y'all know what we find. So first thing I found was this super simple like sweater. I think you could just wear it to Thanksgiving. And then this is what I had on bottom when we showed up. But I just think this is like a fun, it's not itchy, it's a statement without having to do a whole outfit. So I'm into this.
All right, so immediately drawn to tie-dye. I picked this up. Thought for sure this would go back to a sweatpant, but love kind of the fun, comfortable skirt. Obviously, we could be matchy-matchy, do the hooded look, or I kind of like breaking it up with the black or a fun graphic tee. I think this would be really comfortable. Obviously, we kind of were trying to figure out more maybe Thanksgiving dinner, more going to get the turkey. And so those are my options.
Cute.
So found these darling black-ish, I would say, Paige jeans, which I know a lot of us love Paige because they have a lot of stretch and they're super comfortable, and I really like the color on these because they're not black, they're not totally gray. Loving this top and my friend Emily's booties, which I'm dying over these. I think that gives this like a really cute edgy look. Okay.
One of my favorite denims is Mother. I sized down in this because it's got a lot of stretch. I like the boot cut crop. I love gray and brown. I think sometimes we think that doesn't work well together. I think this whole outfit kind of shows the monochromatic piece of grays mixed with the brown. Probably do a cameo of some sort. We've kind of run out of time, so I haven't fully fixed this outfit yet, but certainly nice for hosting Thanksgiving or the holidays with ease.
So I love this navy skirt. I love navy and black. I think it's super sophisticated together. I was thinking about this if you were going somewhere a little dressier, but you wanted to be super comfortable because you're used to loungewear around the house. I think this is a great alternative, and you're comfortable, but you look dressed up. And I don't feel like you look too dressed up, and I think you can eat a lot of turkey and still be happy. If you wanted, you could put, this is a shirt, obviously, but you could put a scarf around it for a little something different. You could also even put a belt somewhere. I mean, like that.
Cute.
That's cute too, just like that. So not necessarily together, although I don't think this looks bad, but I am in love with this sweatshirt. I think it's super cute and it's really soft. And I love these pants. They have a little bit of shimmer to them, so not too much, so you can kind of dress them up or dress them down. I think they're super cute.
And they're navy.
And they're navy, they're blue,
Yeah.
But yeah. And then I love also the seam that goes down the middle. I think that's super flattering.
Here in Houston, we don't know if we're going to have a sunny 80-degree day or a cool November, and maybe you're headed out of town. So always nice to have a layer. I certainly could put a cute t-shirt or tank on underneath this. It is wool, so you gals that are sensitive to itch, maybe not. Another Mother denim, and I love the acid washed look. Cute back to tennis shoes. I certainly could do a bootie or some kind of loafer. So easy breezy.
Cute.